To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Rahul Gandhi and Tejashwi Yadav are claiming that they are fighting for democracy. The leader of opposition has once again used the Bihar Bandh stage to reiterate match fixing and vote loot charge that he made with regards to the Maharashtra elections. But what is the latest flashpoint all about? This flashpoint is about the ECI's June 24th order for a special intensive revision, or the SIR, of Bihar's electoral rolls. The opposition claims deadline of July 25th is unrealistic, the documentation too harsh, and the targeting very clear. Opposition says voter list is being cleansed to remove voices of migrants, daily wagers, Muslims, Dalits and Yadavs, essentially the core vote bank of the INDI bloc. On ground, when we asked protesters about what SIR stands for, they seemed quite stunned. While they were looking for answers, they were targeting the government and the poll panel. They did not know basics about the issue they were protesting for.
I would like to show you the visuals here as we are standing at income tax circle from where this protest is going to start, as there is a march which is going to be taken out by the Mahagathbandhan parties, as from RJD to Congress, CPI, CPIM, CPIML as well as VIP. All of these parties are currently being present here as they are going to hold this procession march from the income tax circle towards the Election Commission of India, as this a message which they are trying to give is that they are not going to be silent upon this entire issue, the entire row which had been erupted regarding the SIR exercise which is being conducted by the Election Commission of India. Recently, in the past, we have seen that how the delegation of the India bloc parties had also met the ECI officials regarding this entire issue. But let us go across to some of the people, the workers who are being present here on the streets to hold this protest. क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं आप लोग इस प्रदर्शन से?
आपके चैनल से मैं मैसेज देना चाहता हूं कि ये जो नरेंद्र मोदी चाहेंगे, चुनाव आयोग जो चाहेगा, वैसा नहीं होगा। ये बिहार बदल रहा है और ये जो पुनरीक्षण जो कर रहे हैं वोटर लिस्ट का जो है ना, ये नए वोटरों को अवैध तरीके से घुसाने का एक तरीका है, लेकिन ये सफलीभूत हम नहीं होने देंगे।
SIR जिसके खिलाफ आप लोग प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं वो क्या है?
ये जो प्रदर्शन हम लोग कर रहे हैं,
SIR क्या है?
SIR है जिसमें हम लोग को ऐसे आपको वोट में जो है ना, हम लोग को डॉक्यूमेंट्स
SIR की
पूर्ण निरीक्षण,
फुल फॉर्म
बता तो रहे हैं कि मतदाता पूर्ण निरीक्षण का कार्य कर रहा है।
आपको पता है SIR?
नहीं पता है।
आपको पता है SIR क्या है? SIR क्या है जिसके खिलाफ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं?
SIR है, देखिए सीधा सीधी मतलब यही है कि आप जो वोट का जनादेश को चोरी करके सरकार बनाता है, आज SIR का यही जनाब जो रियल चीज है उसको सुनिए।
That you have heard that the workers who are protesting here, they actually don't even know that what actually SIR means.